afternoon. I am Liv and we're doing some more rubbish crafts. Gwion said he's really sorry. He said he's up to his eyes in washing. He's outside now pegging it out, catching some rays. We are making today some marionette puppets out of toilet rolls. I really liked making this one because it was really fun because I could get to play with them afterwards. Cool. You will need toilet roll card ×2, a piece of card, a pen, paintbrushes, paint, string, scissors, buttons, and also I forgot pencils and PVA glue. When you have finished, yours should look a little something like this. Step 1. Paint your toilet rolls. They'll probably need a few coats again, so the colour looks nice and bright. Step 2. Draw your ears and cut them out. Paint your ears the colour you want them to be. I personally think it looks better when you paint them a different colour to the body, but that's entirely your choice. Step 3. If you don't have googly eyes like I do not, you can improvise. I really think buttons work really well. I think they look cute. Step 4. I thought it made more sense to make the head a little bit smaller than the body. So when your toilet rolls are nice and dry, you can decorate them with splodges. I've chosen to do splodges because I like splodges, but you could do stripes, you could do whatever you want. This is your little puppet. You could give them clothes, I guess, that would be cool. Step 5. After your paint has dried again, I poked 4 holes in the bottom half of the body, and then on the top half of the body I poked 2 other holes. Step 6. So here's when you'll need your string. I PVA'd the end of mine just so it stays together and doesn't fray. Then you need to thread through your button and tie a couple of knots. Poke the thread through the bottom hole in your body and attach another button to the end. This is to make the leg. You can make the leg as long and as short as you like. You need to repeat this step for as many legs as your puppet has. Step 7. We now want to poke 2 holes into the head of your puppet, sort of so that the string can go straight through, and this is going to be the neck and the top of the head, sort of where where the forehead of the puppet would be, if you can think of it like that. You need a long piece of string for this, and make sure you attach your buttons if that's your thing, or tie knots in it to make it nice and secure on the inside of your puppet. Step 8. Stick on the eyes and the ears that you made earlier to the head of your puppet, which is now attached to the body of your puppet, and it's all coming together so nicely. Step 9. Then with another long piece of string, you want to poke this through the tail end of the body. Well done everyone! I hope you had as much fun as I did making your puppets. I can't wait to see what yours look like. I'm sure they are way better than mine, but I'm going to have a really fun afternoon playing with mine. See you soon!